It's nail mail time. Okay, peeps, this is a package from Maniology. I'm super excited. It could be one of two things. It could be something that I am eagerly anticipating that's kind of a surprise, or it could be, you know, the order that I made the other day, because I kind of made an order the other day again. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up and we shall see what's inside. I'm so excited. I also got a lot of dip powders today, which I'm super excited about. Okay. Oh, I think this is my order, because that is a crystal clear stamper, and that you get with your very first subscription box. So I'm guessing. I think this is my subscription box. I will unbox that in just a momentito. But I also ordered some other things with it. And this is nice. They give you a little, this was a discount code. So I ain't gonna share it with y'all, but that's a discount code. And I also got, I got another brush. Their last brush, I love it so much. So I'll show you the difference between this one and the other one that I have. And I also got two stamping plates that I'd really been wanting. So the first one, this one is their M117, and it has this one. I just think that's so adorable. Beautiful, and with the little hearts and the girl power and beam. Oh, this is, yeah, their Galentine thing. Nail Sisters, that's awesome. So I just thought this was, I like to use hearts, and certainly around two friends plus together equals forever. Shut up! This is really cute. Love you, love you, love you, girl. That's awesome. Okay, so I'm super excited about that one. I've been wanting that one for a long time. And then this was a must-have for me for 4th of July, for sure. Like, I could not go without this one another year. So this is the M054, and it has all of the United States stuff on it. And, you know, I work on a military installation, so I'm very fortunate, and I'm blessed, and I know that I'm blessed because of the freedoms of the people who fight for me. So anyway, I loved to express that through my nails, how appreciative I am. So now that you've seen those, I think let's unbox, shall we? So like I said, that was the first one, but you know, I'm a member of their subscription kit already, maybe because I went back to the full subscription instead of the express. I'm not sure. So this should be August's box, because it's the end of August, and you know I live in Germany, so I don't get them till way late. So Mani by Me, and it tells you a little bit of what they've got in there. I don't like to read it just yet, but you guys can pause it right there if you want and read it. I'm not going to read it. I'm going to discover. Oh, I've seen a lot of the watermelon stuff, a lot of these with this tutorial. So this is a little tutorial card. Shows you how to do the little watermelons. And let's get in. I'm excited to be a full member again, because every time they showed, you know, the Express membership, you don't get the, what do they call them? Their polishes. And I was like, there for a little while, I was like, oh, I have enough polish. And then I came to my senses and realized that I'll never have enough polish. So the full subscription kit has the polishes in them. So we'll look at those last, because I'm excited about those. Oh, goody gumdrops. This is that glass cuticle pusher thing. Oh, that's nice. I can't wait to try this. I'm excited about that. And a lot of people rave about those. And then the other things in here, we got the tutorial. Once again, Maniology. I got like 8,000 of those. I don't need that anymore. Save the paper. And then we've got their these are limited edition plates. So here's the one everybody's doing with the watermelons. This is MXM, or Mani by Me 038, and it's just different. Oh, that scenery looks kind of cool. Bouquets, flowers, guitars, bicycles, cute stuff, little pie, little picnicky stuff, I think. Okay, so that's 038, which means this one must be the 037. Oh, these patterns are really pretty. I like that. Oh yeah, so here's your picnicky, your ants and your gingham and all that stuff. Very cute, very cute. Not sure exactly how I'm going to use it just yet, but you know I'm going to do something with it. I want to get this glass file out and play with it because I've got to. It's got a special, I wonder if I should keep this tube. Ooh, that feels so weird. Like it feels like what you would expect. My cuticles are a mess right now, so this, oh yeah, I could see how this is going to be. Okay. Okay. And I think it's supposed to be like a little bit more chill on your nails and not so aggressive. I could see that. So I'm super excited about using that when I'm going to do the manicure on my nails. Like I said, I also wanted to show you the difference between the brush I had and the brush I ordered. So this was, oh man, what? Y'all, why don't you tell me I didn't even open the polishes? That's what I was so excited about. Lord almighty. It's like I can't even think sometimes. Okay, I hurt this nail earlier, so I gotta be easy with him. I'll swatch these for you in just a moment. Oh my gosh, that green is amazing. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. This one's pretty too, but my goodness, this green is really pretty. And I've been looking for some good greens. They had an excellent green that's a lot darker than this, and I love it. So I'm super excited about this one too. So this one's called Rind. Get it? Watermelon rind. This one's watermelon. That one's rind. So I'll swatch those in a little bit for you. But I did want to show you the difference between those. This one was not in the subscription kit. I did order it. And I love that they have the tops to their brushes. That's really cool and really nice. So that when you get done with them for the day, you put the lid on it and you don't have to worry about the bristles getting all messed up, which is awesome. So these are the two brushes that I now have. Ooh, that's tight. Okay, so this was my original one. This is Maniology 016, and I found it to be very short. It's a great detail brush, but I was looking for something a little bit longer so I could make even more fine lines. So this is Maniology's 102 brush, and I'm hoping that it'll be a little bit longer. So let me open them up and kind of compare them real quick. There's that one. Yeah, just what I wanted. Yes, it was hard to see on the pictures. So I still think this is going to be my good detail brush, and maybe this one will be good for reverse stamping and getting those images in there. Yeah, it's got some more bristles. Yeah, so it's not going to be good for creating those fine lines like I was kind of wanting, but at the same time, this one's almost too small to fill in reverse stamping, which is kind of annoying sometimes. So this is going to be a good brush to have in my collection. So okay, for those of you that don't know, with the subscription boxes, you do get one of their crystal clear stampers, but I believe it's the ice cube stamper. And y'all, these are kind of hit or miss. So I don't use these on a regular basis because I feel like they don't always pick up everything. I've had some of them that come out of the box and they're great, but I also have some that come out of the box and they don't work well at all. So I think I'm going to try this one straight out the box and kind of see what happens here and see if this one works or not. I should quit taking them out of the boxes, but I keep expecting one of them to be super amazeballs. And actually it happened one time with a pineapple one. So if it doesn't work perfectly, oh, that was probably loud. If it doesn't work perfectly, then there's a chance that you can kind of get some oils out of it by putting it on paper, but I'll talk more about that in a minute if this one doesn't work. So let me get something. Here's one of the, let's just do a random pattern here. I do like that this one has a cover on it and it's got a clear back, so this never gets foggy. By the way, I have my tried and true one. It's from Maniology before they were Maniology. They were called BMC. This one is my go-to every single time. It's such a great stamper and I never go wrong with that stamper. So every time I try something new and it's not quite up to par, then I'm like, why bother? I have a great stamper. So if the ice cube ones don't work for you, I highly suggest trying one of their other stampers because they've got some other good stuff. And let's just see what happens. Okay, see? That pricked up pretty well, actually. Like really well. Do you guys see that? That picked up pretty well for coming straight out of the box. So maybe whatever problems they had, and it's not coming back off because it's already dried on there. And that came off pretty well. Okay, let me try a different one and we'll see what happens. Watch out. So sometimes you have to lay them on a piece of paper and kind of squish them, but it looks to me like they don't need all that. Let's try an image like one of these. How about a cupcake? Let's do a cupcake on this bright pink color. It kind of makes sense that you would do a cupcake. Okay, so I've cleaned it off. Put it on there. Oh, it's working perfectly. That's really awesome. Like that doesn't always happen. So I'm very happy with that. So if I squish it down there, you can see, but it's probably too dry. Oh, it did come off. That's awesome. But it picked up all the little detail work, which was really, really great. That doesn't always happen with these ice cube stampers, but I'll have to put this in the I'm gonna keep you handy pile. So I'm super satisfied with that. So thanks, Maniology. Okay, I'm also going to give a shout out to Maniology because I love their Swatch Me stickers. They always make sure that their polishes come with a Swatch Me sticker already on it, which is fantastic for me. But they also have little stickers that you can buy for your other polishes. And I put this on all of my polishes. And I'm kind of a nerd. I always use the same stamp on top of all of them. So anyway, I love these Swatch Me stickers. They're amazing. And in fact, I saw somebody else do it to where they did a solid stripe so they could see what it looks like solid. And then they stamped on this side. And I thought that was really, really cool too. I'll do that. I just stamp it on. So let's do that. I'm going to start with this one here, the watermelon. And it kind of smells like watermelon. Ha, not. But now that I got watermelon on the brain, it kind of does. So I got a line in it, but that's okay because it's just going on my Swatch Me sticker, so no big deal. Bam! What the poop happened? Not cool. What the poop? Okay, I cleaned up my stuff. I got my, you can tell I've already been playing a little bit on this one, so ignore those. But I've got my Maniology sticky stamper station. I'm gonna just clean that off real quick. And we're gonna try that again because apparently I don't know what I was doing. I guess I just waited too long, which is not usual. Normally I can get the image. I get a little bit of time before it'll... Anyway, let's try that again. Much better, much better. Oh, that's actually really pretty. I don't know about over black, but over white, that's pretty amazing. I find myself doing things over white a lot just so that my beautiful, brilliant colors, stamping polish colors can come out. I'm excited. I've really been looking for some good polishes for St. Patty's Day, and I think, Maniology, I think y'all came through. I've got a really beautiful dark one now, so if this is a nice lighter one, that's just gonna make my heart smile. It's gonna make my heart smile, y'all. Okay, let's swatch it on there, baby. Get on now, yeah. Yes, look at that, it's so pretty. It's a little darker than I expected it to be, but it's gonna go great with the other. Let me show you the other one because I really like it. And the two of them I think will go well together. It's so dark. Yeah, these are gonna go really well together. Look at that. Because this is so dark and it's so rich and beautiful. Oh, I love it. This one is called Greenhouse. Okay, so that's the gist of it. You've seen the subscription box for August 2020, and you've also seen a few extras of things that I love from Maniology. So, people, hopefully you liked this video, and if you did, feel free to hit the like button. And if you want to, you could subscribe. My feelings are not going to be hurt. I mean, are your feelings going to be hurt? My feelings aren't going to be hurt. So if you want to subscribe, just do it. Nobody's stopping you. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, you can find me at Groove Mama. And people, if you want to, you can even get 10% off your Maniology stuff. You can see I'm a super huge Maniology fan. I'm super huge fan. And if you want 10% off of your order, you go to www.maniology.com and you type in Groove Mama for your 10% off, and you're going to get 10% off. Or I think it's $5 off a subscription box, which I really like their subscription boxes, and their services are awesome, because if you don't like that month's, you can preview it. And if you don't like it, then you can just pass on it, which is really awesome. I haven't found any I'm going to pass on yet, but anyway, so people, until we meet again, I do hope that you will decorate every single nail you got. Bye!